Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain one of the troubleshoot. For example, if you're starting your Steam Deck by pressing this power button, okay, if it is single press, it's a turned on. But even right, if it is turned on and if it is unresponsive and there is no display, you can forcefully restart your Steam Deck. So what you need to do is first try single press. In single press, it should be turned on. The light also should be flashing if it is having enough charges. So I'm going to press this power button single time. Yes, I think I got a sound. It's properly turning on. On single press, your Steam Deck should be started. And if it is unresponsive and there is no display, you can forcefully restart your Steam Deck and fix the issue. So that's what I'm going to explain now. So what you need to do is simply you need to press and hold this power button for 3 seconds. Okay. So press and hold this power button for 3 seconds so that it will be forcefully restarted. Even right, sometimes it got hanged, you can do the same. So forceful restart is press the power button for 3 seconds. So there was a flash. So again press this power button. This time it should be started. It's verifying the installation. After 3 seconds of holding the power button and still if it is unresponsive, what you need to do is you need to again press and hold this power button for 10 seconds. So press and hold this power button for 10 seconds. Okay. So totally I have explained two methods. Okay. First method is we need to press and hold this power button for 3 seconds. If it is still unresponsive, you need to press and hold this for 10 seconds. So now I'm going to hold this power button for 10 seconds. Actually, within 3 seconds, it should be started. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See? There was a flash, right? If it is an OS level issue, we can follow this procedure. So 10 seconds we need to press and hold this. So now again I'm going to press this power button. This time it should be started normally. Yes, it started. So that's it, friends. So now the Steam Deck is successfully started. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can troubleshoot. To start the Steam Deck, it's a single press of this power button. After single press of this power button, there is no responsive on the screen or there is no display. You can forcefully restart it by holding this power button up to 3 seconds. Okay, you need to press and hold for 3 seconds. And still, if it is unresponsive and there is no display, when you press and hold this power button for 10 seconds, there will be a flashing, okay, on this light. So then just press this power button, single press, automatically the issue will be resolved. Your Steam Deck will automatically open. That's it, friends. This is the way you can troubleshoot your Steam Deck if it is got hanged or if it is unresponsive. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback, media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.